Hey guys, welcome back to another Davinci Resolve tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to add simple effects to your footage. So we've got our footage here, and basically what you're going to do is head over to your toolbox over here under effects, and you have some effects, very simple effects to choose from. Okay, now I'm just going to select the digital glitch and drag it over to the footage, and when you play it back you will see the digital glitch. Of course, you can just head over to your effects panel up here. You will see digital glitch, and you can adjust the various parameters for the effect, but I'm gonna go ahead and just delete it for now because I want to show you guys another way that you can add effects to your clips, and that involves adding an adjustment layer. So we're just gonna select the adjustment layer clip, put it here, and then you're going to select your digital glitch effect and put it over onto the adjustment clip rather than on your footage. That way, if you change your mind and you don't want to use that effect anymore, you can just simply delete the adjustment clip. Okay, so that's it for today with regards to adding simple effects to your footage.